Hi everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script to still continue study about the present continuous tense. But this script you will know about the uses or the rule am is or plus ing equal something happening now. Am is a plus ing equal something happening now กินแล้วบางสิ่งบางอย่างที่เกิดขึ้นในขณะนี้บางสิ่งบางอย่างที่เกิดขึ้นในขณะนี้ Next you try to see and make understand by watching the example from number 1 to number 10 and see the line. The first arrow he talk about the past. Past in Lao is mean อดีต and the second arrow the keyword is now. It the meaning in Lao เดี๋ยวนี้ปัจจุบันนี้ and the third one the keyword future in Lao อนาคต so you understand the line. Now try to make understand by positive sentence. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's practice and read together. Number 1, I am working. in Lao คอยกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกอยู่ We talk about now, not talk about the past and not talk about the future. You try to understand, remember about now I'm working or typing computer, typing some document like this. Next, number 2, she is wearing a hat. in Lao ลาวผู้หญิงกำลังใส่หมวกอยู่ Now you can see a woman is wearing a hat on her head right now. Next, number 3, they are playing football. in Lao เขาเจ้ากำลังเล่นกีฬาบาดเตะอยู่ Now the boys they are playing football. You can see from the picture. Next, number 4, I am watching television. in Lao ค่อยกำลังเบิ่งโทรทัศน์อยู่ Now I'm watching TV. Next, number 5, we are having dinner now. in Lao พวกเขากำลังรับประทานอาหารแลงอยู่ Now we are eating, we are chewing inside our mouth now. Next, number 6, it is snowing outside now. in Lao เดี๋ยวนี้หิมะกำลังตกอยู่ข้างนอกอยู่ You can see the snow is snowing now outside. White. Next, number 7, I am sitting on a chair. in Lao ค่อยกำลังนั่งอยู่ถึงตั้งอี้อยู่ You can see now I am sitting on a chair. You can see from the picture. Next, number 8, she is studying English. in Lao ลาวผู้หญิงกำลังเรียนภาษาอังกฤษอยู่ Now she is studying She is writing. She is practice speaking with some teacher or friend teacher like this. Next, number 9. He is listening to music. She is, he is listening to music. In Lao, ผู้ชายกำลังฟังเพลงอยู่ ผู้ชายกำลังฟังเพลงอยู่ Now, he is listening. You can see from the earphone on her head. Next, number 10. I am reading a newspaper. I am reading a newspaper. อีกแล้วคอยกำลังอ่านหนังสือพิมพ์อยู่ Now I am reading and mark it, which is very important. List. Thank you very much for all of you follow